All right, y'all, this is the home over here at 508 C-Rim. I'm just getting it back. I'm walking it for you so you'll have an idea of what the layout is like. This is the kitchen area. It has not been cleaned. My team comes in this week to clean it. This is the kitchen area. There is a dishwasher over there on the side that you can't see from here. Now, here is the living and dining area together. Living and dining area. It does have a fireplace. So I'm showing you from here. So this is what it looks like. All right, now I'm gonna walk to the bedrooms so you can see them. Please remember, it has not been cleaned. I just got it back right now. So we have a door. This is one of the possible kids' rooms. Just so you have an idea. The house will be painted, repainted, and it does have a small closet. I'll show you that. Closet area. This is for people who cannot get to this property to see it. Okay, so you can make a sound decision. All right, this is the hall. The carpet will be replaced, which we're working on that and getting bids now. This is the second bedroom. So the second bedroom, here's a wall. So you can see out, we have big old windows. The area, looks like we got a hole to repatch right there. And this closet is a little larger, just so you have an idea of what you're dealing with. We got to put in that rod to hold your clothes in. All right, moving on. Now we're going to the master. Oh, no, we're going to the bathroom. This is the common area bathroom. Right here, we got the sink area, the toilet, the tub with the shower. And we have an actual window that you can open up through there, okay? All right, and here is the master. It's a pretty good size. We're cleaning this door. That is awful. But anyways, that's people. You never know what you're gonna get. Got a big old window. We have ceiling fan here. Big size right here. We got a lot to do in this bathroom. Hold on. So this is the master bath. We get the property back. Okay, I'm just showing you the shower area, but it is not clean, so I don't like to really show. But for y'all who keep asking, all right, the property had doors. We don't know where they are, but we're gonna look for those and find them. We also have a toilet area over here, okay? So I'm just kind of doing like that. But it is here. This is the layout. And then there is a walk-in closet for the master. So it's pretty big. We got lots of stuff to clean up in there. We don't know what the deal is, but it is what it is. But it will be cleaned, everything. So now we're coming back out. Remember, this has been untouched. This is how I got my property back. The property to get it sold and ready. And then we have the garage. The garage will be power washed. All junk will be removed, which it has not been just yet. All right, so just so you have an idea, the washer and dryer area is actually outside in the garage, just so you know. All right, and I'm gonna come outside and walk backwards so you can see the front. All right, just give you an idea of what the house is looking like from the outside. Okay. Let me know if you're interested, and I will get that to you as soon as possible. Have a great day.